p.m. I just woke up. I decided to try vlogging again, so you'll be coming with me today, tomorrow, the day after, and through this whole week. So let's go! Hi everyone, it's currently 12:48 p.m. I just finished eating brunch, doing chores, and I just took a bath. And right now, I'm just going to study my readings for today, which is this. And I'm also gonna plan out my activities for this month, which I will tell you later kapag natapos ko na. Hi everyone, I just finished doing the calendar of activities and here it is. I will be sharing a copy of this with you guys somewhere here in the screen. So as you can see, karamihan ng mga activities dito is related to experiment kasi yung research namin is about experiment and it will take time kaya kailangan talagang i-maximize yung oras. So from December 29 to January 3, we have to contact and inquire laboratory service kasi may kailangan kaming gawin na kailangan namin ng tulong nila na hindi namin kayang gawin ng kanilang sa school laboratory. Then sa January 5 naman, yun na yung enrollment namin for second semester and kailangan na namin masimulan yung preparation ng banana extract namin which is related din sa research namin. Then January 2 to 3, revision of manuscript which is konti lang naman yan and I already nag-distribute na ako ng mga kailangan gawin. Then January 4 to 10, kailangan makompleto na namin yung mga materials na kailangan namin para kapag nagsimula kami ng-experiment, nandiyan na lahat ng gamit. January 7, Wednesday, may mga kailangan lang kaming papirmahan na letters and requirements. January 10, another preparation. January 12, doon na kami magsisimula mag-experiment. And meron lang January 12 and 13 kasi meron kaming dalawang samples na kailangan gawin for our experiment. And January 14 naman, simulan ng clinical duty namin. So wish us luck kasi 3 days na yung duty namin guys. Okay. Then, ang expected date namin natapos ng experiment is February 12. Hopefully kasi hindi kami talaga pwedeng ma-delay guys. Kasi natapos ng research is dapat complete na dapat yung paper by April. So yeah. Then we have the buffer required testing ng isang buong linggo which is February 15 to 21. So yeah.
Hi everyone! Get ready with me for Sunday, man! This is my makeup kit, guys. It's Loopy. It's so cute. Nakuha ko lang to sa pinsan ko. Then, I have keychain right here. That says my name. It's from Sir Moreno. Thank you, sir. So, yeah. So, this is what's inside my makeup kit right there. I'm gonna start my makeup with this Pink Blush Lasting Matte Foundation in the shade I don't know kasi nag-fade away na siya. The amount of foundation that I'm going to use is ganito lang, like that. Kasi ayoko ng heavy feeling. Pero kasi napansin ko na mas naglalast longer yung makeup kapag may foundation. And do not judge the way I put on my makeup kasi hindi naman ako expert dito. So yan, i-blend ko lang siya starting here sa nose ko. Lagi kong inuuna yung the dirty part ng face ko. Even sa pag-skincare. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy because I've always wanted to do a Get Ready With Me. Kasi hindi ko siya magawa kasi ulit-ulit lang lagi yung makeup routine ko and simple lang din siya. So, maybe once ko lang ito magagawa. And that's okay, at least I'm gonna be able to share it with you guys. Wala akong machika. And there you go, I think that's fine. Next step is I'm going to use this Dr. Sensitive All Day No Sebum Blur Powder. Ang ginagamit ko oh my gosh. Ang ginagamit ko before this is yung compact powder ng Careline in the shade Natural. Kaso lang, nahit ko na yung pan niya. Tsaka, pag kasi mga compact powder yung ginagamit ko, parang nagtititi yung makeup ko. So, yeah. So, nag-switch back ako sa loose powder. There. And then here. And then here. There. And then, before ko siya i-dab-dab-dab, I'm going to put another petroleum jelly on my lips. Kasi, nagda-dry siya ngayon, guys. Ayan, no? And kapag nagda-dry siya, mas prone na balatan ko siya kaya. We have to keep it moisturized. I-blend ko na ito, guys. And there, after the powder part, next thing I'm gonna do is outline my eyebrows and draw eyeliner. Draw eyeline. Kasi ito yung eyeliner. Anyway, going back. Okay, disclaimer guys, I don't know how to properly outline the eyebrows ha. I'm just doing this based on my knowledge and kung may advice kayo, go lang. Pero this is how I do it. And I'm actually using this. I don't know kung I don't know kung anong brand nito, kung what shade pa to, kasi nakuha ko lang to sa makeup kit ni mama. And ganito yung color niya, guys. Ganito yung color niya, parang black siya. Ganyan, hindi siya brown. Kasi parang kapag brown, hindi siya nag-blend together with the color of my eyebrows. Yan. Or hindi lang ako marunong. Kaya ito lang ang ginagamit ko. So ayun na nga, simulan na nga, di ba? Simulan na nga. Before, hindi ako nagkikilay kasi nga hindi ako marunong. Pero I'm trying my best. Trying my best, guys. Okay. Yan, ganyan. Oh my gosh. I feel like may nagagawa naman pala akong tama sa tingin ko, in my perspective. Next. Dito ako, ganun dito ako. And there you go. I think yun na yung best ko. Yan. Okay na yan. Okay na to. Next na. Next, using the same product, I'm going to draw here. Meron akong parang natural eyeline dito, guys. Kaya hindi ako nahihirapan mag-eyeliner. Anyway, let's do this. There you go. That's how I do it. And next. There you have it. Next. So for the next part of my makeup routine is blush already. Yes. Simple steps lang to. I'm going to use this Pink Flash Blush. In the shade, I don't know kasi nakuha ko lang to sa makeup kit ni mama. Kasi yung huling, wait, parang siya ayos. Yung huling blush ko is from Careline. And naubos ko na siya. Kaya hiningi ko na kay mama yung blush niya. And I've been using that blush for a long time. Even before pa ako bumalik sa Careline, pink blush na talaga ako since it's affordable na. And I can testify na very affordable, long-lasting, pigmented si Pink Flash na blush. Tingnan naman, na-hit ko na ulit yung pan niya. So, I need to buy another one na. So, yeah. I don't know if... Going back to what I was talking earlier, na I don't know if tama yung placement ng blush ko according to my face shape. Kasi hindi ko rin alam yung face shape ko. But, yeah. I think this works naman. It doesn't look off naman. Diba? Last step is for my lips. I'm going to use this lipstick right here na hindi ko alam kung anong product, kung anong shade. Kasi nakuha ko lang ito sa pinsan ko. So, yeah. I tried using dark lipstick, guys. Dark, matte lipstick. Katulad ng mga Latina makeup. But, unfortunately, hindi daw bagay sa akin yung ganong style. Kasi masyadong baby girl ang features ko. Baby girl! That is all for my makeup, guys. So, this is the, like, final look. Final, yeah. You don't understand how much you really mean to me. I need you in my life, your mind is a city, yeah. There's strap ko na din. Guys, I'm back here sa Bacoor and right now nasa Alcamart ako kasi napili ako ng pa-exchange gift namin and wala akong mapili. I mean, ang napag-usapan is something stationary yung theme ng the exchange gift kasi sarado pala si sweets na lang.
Aka na yung hamon nyo.
Ito kayo sa debola. Pagkain ko kasi hindi ako pili ng gamit. Tapos nagdalawa kayo dito kasi apat.
Naiya, ito na yung bangkura ni Ira.
Pero may isipan niya pa yan. Uy, nagtagal ako kasi kung kung ano yung birthday surprise. Kasi, paunahan ba to?
Abang na! Parang balon.
Ay, wait lang, wait lang! Hindi ko
Iwalit ni Ira na.
Hindi yung cover up.
Piso yung mga
time, guys.
Magawa na dito tama ko. Sige, no, talaga ito na rin.
Alam mo, sticker. Hindi ko meron ko ba yung buksan? Hindi ko ito steady eh.
Steady ka pa. Okay, next.
At least hindi buto.
May madami ang worth it to.
Ay, wow.
Hamon to eh, hamon.
Panghanda.
Game.
Ay! Parang ano yan? House and ay, wow, magkaibang rock.
Pero hindi naman natalo.
Wait lang, parang ayaw mo pabukas. Parang ayaw mo pabukas. Ngayon mo ako tinakit. Sabi, ang taksi ko.
Pwede din kasi.
Sayang. Nagamitin ko na ng Christmas.
Pwede ako sa'yo. May birthday video.
May mistake. Ayaw mo sa nila. May sa'yo nila. Parang ayaw mo ibigay eh. Sobrang naman babasagin na lang. Ayaw na ako.
Pwede din kasi.
Umuwi. Sigat mo lang. Sabay na ako. Wala, sa'yo yung effort. Hindi ko na makaya sa'yo.
Susunod-sunod mo na ako.
Ay, hindi ka. Kalabas. Hindi ko natawid ko. Kasi natin ito ba sa'yo? Ah, okay. Ay, hindi na pa rin. Kami na. Kami na. Parang for the whole semester na. Hi everyone! We're currently getting ready right now kasi aalis kami papuntang FM para kumain, para mag-dinner. And right now, I'm going to show you my new shoes na binili sa akin ni Papa. It's color green. It's there, it's color green, and this is my pants, green din. Oh my gosh.
Hey everyone, we just got home from SM and I just bought something from National Bookstore. It's called My Favorite Bible Characters Copy Color. Yay! And it has different characters like Adam and Eve. We're going to copy their color right here. And I also bought this 16 colors of crayons. I got corn dog. Sa'yo mo isa lang.
Waffle dog.
Sa'yo. Sa'yo, Tijay.
Giant hotdog. Snoopy Joe.
Sa'yo, Jay.
Sloppy Joe.
What flavor is that?
Barbecue cheese. Barbecue ba yan? Ano? Ngayon lang kakainin ni Angel. Masarap daw.
You can go around this place. I will stay here.
Anong tawag dito?
Yeah, but there's a car.
Manila Cathedral. Ano, sa likod?
This is so nice.
Parang ano, agos.
Sad mo sa GC ate. Violet! Orange! Yellow! Orange! Orange!
Show what's inside.
Topping candy.
What else?
May cream on. Tsaka trolley.
Anong meron?
Ito.
What inside?
Ate!
Wait. Mag-give thanks muna tayo.
Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks. Oh. Relax lang, no? Harap lagi.
May nagano ka na ba? Ba't ka ba nag-cleanser? Kalimutan mo na naman yan para mga nanay mo.
Video mo!
Hindi! Ba't may video? Ganun konti. Yan. Okay. Tas konti. Tas konti. Tas konti.
Ayoko naka-video. Taro.
I've been riding now.